In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable document link to your Wix website using a button. If you've ever wanted to share resources or documents like PDFs or Word files directly from your website, this is the guide for you. We'll take you through each step to ensure you create an interactive, user-friendly experience for your visitors. First, we'll need to fire up the Wix editor in the Google Chrome browser. Opening Wix in Chrome is a preferred choice for its compatibility and reliability, ensuring a smooth editing process without unexpected hiccups. Once you're comfortably in your Wix editor workspace, it's time to enhance your website's functionality by adding a button. To do this, glance over to the left toolbar and click on the Add button. It's marked with a plus sign and is your gateway to a variety of features Wix has to offer. From here, look for the button option within the list. Click on it and you'll see an assortment of button designs. Choose one that aligns with your site's aesthetic and drag it onto the page where you'd like your visitors to access the document. This button will serve as the direct link to your file, so positioning is key. Make sure it's easily visible and accessible for your users. After placing your button, you'll need to create a link to your document. To do this, click on the button to select it and look for the link option. It usually hovers above or around your button. A linking window will appear, presenting several options for what this button can link to. For our purposes, select the document option. This is where you'll upload the specific file you want your visitors to download. Simply navigate to the upload function, choose your document, whether it's a PDF, a doc, or another format, and upload it directly from your computer. Wix will automatically update the button to link to this newly uploaded file. Once your document is successfully linked and you're satisfied with the placement and design of your button, it's time for the essential step, saving and publishing your site. Always make sure to save your changes regularly to avoid losing your work. When everything looks good, click the Publish button in the top corner of the editor. This step makes your latest updates live, allowing visitors to your site to download the document by clicking the button you just created. And there you have it. These simple steps ensure that your website visitors can easily access and download documents directly from your site, enhancing their experience and providing them with the resources they need. Don't forget to test the button yourself once the site is live to confirm everything works smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your success in the comments below or reach out with any questions you might have. Happy editing!